And on top of this edition of the news, we're getting you some exclusive leads on the NCB's investigation. Monday is going to be a very big day for the NCB because they'll be submitting a report to DG of the NCB, Rakesh Asthana. Now, when a report will be submitted, what are the kind of contents that we're going to look at? We'll keep you up to speed on that. But for now, there is another probe lead that we're tracking here on the Republic Media Network, and that is that sources are telling us that no clean chit has been given to all three actors. While fresh summons haven't been issued, no clean chit has also been given. In fact, as per the claims made by the actors, there's going to be an examination of these claims by the NCB. After questioning close to 30 people and making close to 18 arrests in connection with the drug racket, the NCB has also tumbled upon new names. Now, sources are revealing to Republic Media Network that these are big and high-profile names. My colleague Amit Chaudhary is breaking down all these details, and he's live with us. Amit, very, very important leads also going on to give us a hint that come this Monday, there's going to be some movement as far as the report is concerned. But if you are privy to the details of the investigation and that report which has been prepared by KPS Malhotra, Samir Wankhede and Ashok Jain, tell our viewers about it. All right, we seem to be having a slight audio connection with Amit, but Amit Chaudhary of the Republic Media Network is breaking down these details. We'll connect with him. Amit, can you hear me? All right, we'll get Amit in a short while from now. He's joining us live. We seem to be having a live audio connection issue, but we'll come back. But for now, for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, we're getting you 5 exclusive leads into the investigation that has been carried out by the NCB. Lead number 1, that no clean chit has been given to all 3 actors. Lead number 2, there are some things that all the 3 actors have told the NCB, on the basis of which there will be a verification and examination of the claims made by them. Lead number 3, what we're hearing is that all the actors who in fact appeared before the NCB today were completely prepared. Now, what does that mean? There was a back and forth with lawyers, possibly, where they spoke to the lawyers, they got legal advice, and they decided how to go about the interrogation. We told you earlier today that Deepika Padukone's answers were they were monosyllabic answers, and the NCB hasn't been very satisfied with the way she responded. There has been an admission on the 2017 drug chats with Karishma Prakash. She was confronted with Karishma Prakash, but yes, there has been a denial from all 3 actors when it comes to the consumption of drugs. But the case is not just about the consumption of drugs. What we can also confirm is that 2 statements of both Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor have been recorded under an FIR which is related to the Sushant death case. Now,